7.1. The first three problems, they're asking you without graphing, are you able to look at the rule and tell me, is this gonna be a growth or decay? And what would be the y-intercept? So what did you say for one?
Decay.
This is a decay because 5, 6 is less than 1. And what's your y-intercept?
0, 4.
Beautiful. That's your y-intercept. So if I had to sketch this graph, I know it's gonna hit at 0, 4, and it's gonna be coming down like this. You don't have to sketch it, but. What would 2 be? Growth or decay?
Growth.
It's growth because it's top heavy, 17/10 is greater than 1. And what's your y-intercept? 0, 12. 0, 12. Okay, and then this last one, what did you write? Is it growth or decay?
Decay.
Good, it's decay. See, normally if that were a positive x, it looks like this. But because it's a negative x, it's actually a reflection over the line y, the y-axis. So this is actually a decay problem. And can you tell me what the y-intercept is?
0, 1.
Good job, 0, 1, right there. Okay, number 4. So you have $2,000 you're starting off with in a savings account, and it pays interest. So the word pay means it's a growth problem. And the R value is 4%, so it's 0.04, okay? If no money is added or withdrawn from the savings account, I want to know in 3 years. So how did you do A? How did you do A? You started off with how much money? $2,000, and you have 1 plus 0.04, and your T or your X value, your number of years is going to be, for this one, 3. So for A, and I want to see this. And tell me what answer you got for this one.
2,249.73.
Okay, excellent. That is the right answer. All right, so what's different about B? You're going to put an 18 here. So y is equal to 2,000 times 1.04. The time is 18 years. And what'd you get for this answer? So now they're asking you, how many years? So now you're going to ask yourself, what would X be so that you get $2,500? So what I did was I made a T-chart. Okay, so for 3 years, we get $2,249.73. What about 4 years? So if you put a 4 here, what would you get? You get $2,339. So we want to get to 2,500. If you put a 5 in here, you would get 2,433. If you put a 6, you get 2,530. Okay, here we go. Doesn't 2,500 fall between these 2 years?
Yes.
So the answer to C is between 5 and 6 years. So now, how are we going to do 3,000? Well, what do you want to jump a little bit? I mean, you don't want to go 7, 8. Let's try what, 10? Let's try 10. 10 years, you get 2,960.5. In 11 years, you get 3,078.9. So until I show you the short way how to do this, this is the logical way that you would actually do it. So for D, it would be between what? 10 and 11 years. Good? Awesome. How about 5? Help me out. Population of 120,000 people. And they didn't write people, but population is people, unless it's
Unnecessarily.
population of ants.
Exactly, we
I guess I
don't.
didn't tell you, huh?
Same.
Grows 1.2% per year for 15 years. Tell me how many, whatever this is, ants, cockroaches, population of what? People, okay.
Population of deer.
What'd you write for an equation?
Y equals 120,000. 1 plus 112.
Did you do that? Is it .012? Uh-oh.
That's the problem.
Check this out. Is it, did you get .012? Because that's gonna make the difference of a right and wrong answer.
Yes.
Okay, so now, what did you get for an answer?
No, I didn't.
What did you put in for X?
Because I am a retard.
And I have, for my answer, 143,512.24. Now, can you have .24 people? No, so what you would do in this case is always round down. When it comes to people, you're gonna round down. Even if it was like .75, you would say 143,512 people, okay? And the last one, number 6. You have 1,860,000 and it's decreasing by 1.5% each year for 12 years. So you should get y equals 1,860,000 and then 1 minus .015. That's your equation. And then this is .985, and you're gonna put a 12 in there. Write it all out. And what'd you get for an answer? 1,551,485. And you can't have a half a person, so you just drop that. So it'd be 1,551,485 people. Or ants. We are done.